Hey guys, John here from PMGY Cambodia, and in today's video we're going to be showing you around the tour of the school project, where you'll be staying, where you'll be eating, and where you'll be teaching or doing their childcare project. So come inside and let's have a look. Okay, so behind me right now is the playground where all the children come through the day. They park their bikes. We've got a small shop over there where they can get snacks, soft drinks, water, so they stay hydrated through the day. And then this area here is where all the kids play football, volleyball, and have big water fights on Fun Friday. So this is the first part of the school. We're really excited for you guys to see. Alright guys, so this is our childcare project building. So we have one classroom in here and another classroom here where you can see some of our awesome kids getting taught now. This is for the kids who are aged 3 till 5 to get their first steps into education. Alright guys, so the second part of the school is two big open-air classrooms where all of our older kids come from age 6 up until we have a 19-year-old as well. We're building new classrooms to the right. So yeah, if you're in the teaching project, this is where you'll be teaching. We're now at the volunteer accommodation, so we have 3 dorms, 1 male dorm and 2 female dorms. So we'll go inside, you can see our bedding, lock boxes and everything that you get on your stay here. This is our volunteer relaxing area and communal area. So this is one of my favorite parts of the school. This is where in your free time you can come relax in a hammock, read a book, have a coffee, listen to a podcast and chat with the other volunteers. So when you're here, half the day will be teaching, half the day you can relax outside in the beautiful Cambodian sun. Okay, so this is our communal area. This is where everybody has breakfast, dinner, snacks, as well as where people prepare for childcare and their teaching lessons. So as you can see behind me, there's tables full of things that are going to be resources for the kids, as well as books, teaching and childcare folders. And then behind me, there's 3 boards. So that's where, as a volunteer, you'll be put into childcare, teaching classes, and then also weekend plans, a few little chores as well. And it's essentially where all the information is about the project. So this is our kitchen. So we do have a cook or 2 cooks who come twice a day to cook food for all of us volunteers. And then we also have a volunteer fridge where you can leave your soft drinks, iced coffee through the day. We have coffee in a kettle and tea here as well. And then through the week and over the weekends, if you decide to stay, you can also cook your own noodles or meals as well, should you want to. Okay, so behind me now is our toilet and shower area where you can get a nice cool shower when you wake up through lessons and after lessons to cool down when it's really, really hot here. So yeah, toilet and shower block behind me. Okay, and last but not least, we have our new pool area. So you'll see in the next videos after this a few images or videos of the swimming pool, but right now we're in the chill out area. So to my left, it's still a work in progress, but we're going to have our bar area here. So on an evening, volunteers can come and chill, listen to music, have some drinks. And then to the right, we've got a chill out area with fans. And then to the far right, we have some gym equipment. We are going to be getting more as well. So that means in the morning, lads, ladies, if you want to work out to start your day, we have a workout area here as well. And then, like I said, next you'll see our swimming pool. So we hope to see you soon at PMGY Cambodia. See you soon.